How to purchase Steam gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how you can purchase a Steam gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to purchase Steam gift card, you can actually purchase it using e-commerce sites or apps like Amazon and so on, but Steam also officially sells them on their website. If you just go to your browser and type in Steam gift card buy, so you have to actually don't select the sponsored ads because sometimes it could be a scam. I would say don't select the sponsored ads here, right? So just look for the official link from Steam. You can see store.steampower.com. You can simply go ahead and select that option there instead, and after you've done that, you should be able to see send a digital gift card, or you can see redeem gift card. So we will select send a digital Steam gift card here and just select the type of gift card that you want to buy for the amounts. If you want to buy $50, select $50 here. And after you do that, you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter your account name and sign in, and after that you will be able to purchase the gift card. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically purchase Steam gift card. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.